Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn about the if expression in Kotlin and how it differs from the traditional if statements in other programming languages. So let's jump right into it. So in Kotlin, if is not just a statement but an expression, which means it returns a value. You can use it in assignments or return values from functions, which makes Kotlin's if expression more flexible. So let's see this through an example here. And for that, I'm going to create two variables of integer type. Okay, so let's say we want to find the maximum of two numbers in Kotlin. So you can assign the result of an if expression directly to a variable. So for that, I'm going to create a variable which will hold the value of maximum number here. And to find the maximum number, I'm going to add the if expression here, and I'll put a condition. If a is greater than b, then I will return a, else I will return the value of b variable. Okay, so let's print this result here. So let's run this program to see. So in this example, we are checking if the value of a variable is greater than the value of b variable. So in this case, the value of a, which is 5, is less than 10, so it will go into the else case and it will return the value of b variable here. And as you can see, it has printed this into console. You can also use if with multiple branches. Let's extend this example by adding one more condition here. So let's first I have to change this condition. So I'll create curly braces here and I will return a string value now. So I'll say if a is greater, and in the else if case, I'm putting a condition. If the value of a variable is equal to value of b variable, then I will print this message here. Okay, so I'm also going to create the else case here. So here I will print b is greater. Okay, so this is how you can use the multiple branches to add more if conditions. So in this example, as you can see, we are using if to return different values based on multiple conditions. So question is, what if I want to print the result and also I want to return the result as well? So you can also achieve that in the if expression. So let's see, I'm going to print this value. Okay, so this will print the result here, and also I want to return the value of a variable here. So this is how you can add multiple statements in the if expression as well. So here I will return the b value, and here I will return the equal string here if the results are equal, and here I will return the b value. So in this case, it will print this message, and also it will return this value as well. So let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, it has printed this message as well, and also it has returned the value of b variable. So we have printed the result here. So now let's see how we can use the if expression in functions. Since if is an expression in Kotlin, you can use it directly in return statements within functions. So for that, I'm going to create a function here. And I'm going to add two parameters of integer type. Okay, and this will return us the integer result as well. So here I will return the result on the base of if expression here. Okay, so it will check if the value of a is greater than the value of b variable, so it will return a, otherwise it will return b here. So let's change the name of function here. Okay, and I'm going to print the result of this function inside the main function here. So let's print this. Okay, so I'm going to remove this code now. Let's run this. So as you can see, this function returns the maximum of two integers using an if expression here. So to wrap things up, the if expression in Kotlin is versatile. You can use it in variable assignments, return values from functions, and even with multiple conditions. So it is a powerful feature that simplifies code compared to traditional if statements. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Kotlin tips. See you in the next video.